Hello, this is Archana. Today I am going to present business prediction for household demographic data. Kavya and Jay Krishna are my project mates. We collectively did analysis for household demographic data using SPSS modular. And here, if you look at the IRIM data set, we have collected demographic information for about 3000 households, and we have collected information of their household's income, residence type, education level of the head of the household, and also details about purchase of retail products like yogurt, and also their dinner expenditure and many more. Like we have collected for 18 variables information. And by looking at this data, we can say many business opportunities, maybe in the field of marketing or in the field of production management, optimizing the values. And here I would like to quote some of the business opportunities what we have seen. One is a relationship between the type of residence and the residence education level, or is the relationship between amount of a yogurt a household consumes and any other variables, or can we accurately predict the expenditure value on frozen foods per month based on the other data collected in the dataset? If so, which variables and to what accuracy? Is there a relationship between annual household income, or a household has a cable or not? Like this, the list will goes on. Here I would like to predict the third business opportunity, which is, can we accurately predict the expenditure value on frozen foods per month based on other data collected in this data set? If we look much deeper into the data set, we have collected data of 3190 members and about 18 variables, and we have run the descriptive analysis. We have done analysis, we have collected information based on scatter plots, histogram, whisker plots and all, and we made to determine the target variable. We have done some, we have made some assumptions like linearity, whether relationship between any of the variable with the other mean of the other variable linear or not, or independence, or whether the other variable is normally distributed with the other variable or not. Similarly, we have chosen the equality of variables. By all these whisker plots and my assumptions, I'm figuring out which variable is the target variable. And if you look at the block spot of the female birth, it is there are no outliners and it is good to see. And if you see the scattered plots between the female birth and the dinner expenditure, there are no outliners, only one or two. And also if you see the histogram of the female birth, it is very normally distributed. And if you see the scattered plot between dinner expenditure and HHNBR, there is only couple of outliners. So by considering all these variables, I am choosing that my dinner expenditure variable as my target variable. And to and to uh, and to predict the frozen food expenditure, which is my third business question, this variable will help me to do further analysis. So have chosen SPS as my tool and regression model to predict the dinner expenditure values. And if you see the descriptive statistics of the data, like here I'm considering only 3093 individuals. Why? Because like if we take the entire data 3190, some of them are null values, and I can see if we go ahead with this null data or bad, I can come up with wrong recommendation or inaccurate results. So out of this, I have eliminated some of the null variables and I have chosen only 3093 and dinner expenditure as my target variable, and whether it is dependent or other or not, which is my third business opportunity. I'm running the regression model in the SPSS. We can see further results in the SPSS. If I try to do the regression, I'm choosing the linear regression, dinner expenditure as my dependent variable, and other variables are independent, to see whether the dependent variable is dependent with others or not. So I have chosen these options in my linear regression: R-squared change, descriptive, collinearity diagnosis, and histogram plot between the predictor values and the other residuals, and the standardized predictor values, and Mahabalobis distance, and much more. And I've done the regression in the SPSS. And